Ear model. We can see our ears from outside, but the inner ear remains hidden. So, what are our ears like inside and outside? Let's make a model of the ear today.
How many ears do we have?
2.
What is this?
Rubber band. Cotton wool.
We have 2 ears, but do we just hear with the outer ears? Let's play a game with our ears closed and with a rubber band and cotton wool. Bind the rubber band tightly between your teeth and strum it. Can you hear any sound?
A humming sound could be heard.
Ears are tightly shut from the outside. Still, the humming sound can be heard clearly. This means there's a lot more inside our body, apart from the external ears, by which we hear. So, let's get to know our external ears and our hidden internal ears better. How can these materials become our ears? A cardboard stand, paper plate, glass vessel filled with water, cardboard pipe or tube, thin red paper and a toothpick. Model of the ear. The paper plate in the model is external ear, pinna. The cardboard pipe or tube is the ear canal. The sound goes into the ear through this. The red paper tied tightly at the end of the cardboard tube represents the eardrum or the ear membrane. The toothpick stuck on the eardrum represents the ear bones. Not 1, but 3 bones. The glass vessel filled with water is the internal ear. This is the cochlea. What an amazing model! The sound of the drum goes in, the eardrum starts vibrating. So does the toothpick and the water. This is how our ears work. Now you make such a model for yourself. Play with it and learn more about your ears.